squatting down next to a tree for a video? Well, I want to talk about mulch volcanoes. You can actually see that there's no mulch volcano here next to this pine tree that's in my own front yard, but if you drive around town, it is the common way that most people will mulch around their trees. And honestly, it's very, very bad for the trees. So I'm here to tell you and kind of like enlighten you on the fact that raking up pine straw and leaves around your tree is not a good idea. Essentially, the pine straw or the leaves will break down and turn into soil eventually, and that actually will suffocate out the roots of the trees. So the best solution, if you want to keep your trees healthy the best you can, is to rake the mulch away, rake that pine straw away, put it in landscape beds, put it in bags, give it to somebody else who doesn't have mulch, whatever you need to do with it to get rid of it and get it away from the tree. It takes a little more work, of course, because the easiest thing is to blow that leaves or the pine straw up into the tree to get a pile and not have to bag it or not have to dispose of it in some way. That really is the easiest way, but it really is to the detriment of the tree. So just keep that in mind. This is what it should look like. It should just look like grass running around. If you want to edge around it and pull the grass out just so it looks like a circle instead, some people like that look, that's fine, but certainly you should never see a pile that looks like, that's why we call it a volcano, because it almost looks like a pine tree or an oak tree coming out of a volcano of mulch. It's kind of piled up in a peak around the trunk of the tree and the roots of the tree. So just keep that in mind as you're maintaining your landscape, and even if it's something that you feel like your tree might be a little sick or unhealthy, that could be the reason. So just keep it in mind as you're maintaining your yard.